So I just picked up this Tineco cordless vacuum. It's completely cordless. It comes with one lithium-ion battery, extra sold separately. It's got 350 watts, and it's only 3 pounds. This thing will actually lift carpet, or lift rugs off the carpet, which I've never had a vacuum that was able to do that before. But one of my biggest complaints with this thing is that as soon as you're done, you put it back in the cradle, and then you have to plug in the damn charging cord. Every single time you're done, you have to plug this damn thing in. And aside from being a pain in the ass, I can guarantee you eventually this is going to break. It's probably going to be one of the first things it does. So, a little bit of backyard engineering. Added a couple springs to the front, associated wiring, and 2 aluminum strips there and associated wiring. And so now all you have to do is plug this guy in here, plug in our charging cradle, and voila, now it's charging. Don't have to worry about cords. Just as soon as you're done vacuuming, drop it in the cradle. Why didn't they think of this?